Hello children, welcome to Narayana Digital Classes, where learning never stop. So today we are going to discuss 9th class assignment number 9, so solutions topic. So the first question is, the relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to, mole fraction of the non-volatile solute. This statement is given by, so here what is the statement? The relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction of non-volatile solute, This statement, that means by seeing this, this is a statement given by Raoult's. So what is Raoult's statement? So here the statement is the relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction of non-volatile solution. That means P solution is equal to mole fraction of the solvent, that means vapor pressure of solvent, that means vapor pressure of solution is equal to a mole fraction of the solvent into vapor pressure of the solvent. So this is Raoult's law, this is statement given by Raoult's. And next question, Raoult's law is applicable to, so Raoult's law is applicable to, the first statement, Raoult's law is applicable to only a very dilute solutions, first point, very dilute solutions, and the next one is solutions containing non-volatile solvents only, and next solutes which are associate or dissociate are not considered as so these are all not considered. So once read the Raoult's law is applicable to very dilute solutions. So very dilute solution, this one is correct, and solution contain volatile solvents only. So this statement is wrong. Solutions which associate in a particular solution, that means which does not associate or which does not dissociate, that means here associate and dissociate given. So only first option is correct. And next we will move to next question. What is the relative lowering of vapor pressure of 26% of the solution of non-volatile solute having molecular mass how much? 52, having molecular mass how much? 52 in diethyl ether, so diethyl ether, so the molecular mass of diethyl ether is 74, right. So here the molecular mass is 52, how much? 26%. So 26% this solution means, next remaining is 100 minus 26 means 74 is diethyl ether. So what is the formula? RLL is equal to mole fraction. So mole fraction is N1 by N1 plus N2. So N1 I am taking here, this is, so 26 by 52 by 26 by 52 plus 74 by 74. So 1 by 2, 1. So you will get 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 by 3 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means how much? 0.33%. 0.33%. The option is there. So this is second option. So we'll move to next question. The fourth question. 3 grams of urea. 3 grams of urea is added to 36 grams of boiling water. So how much lowering of vapor pressure is noticed? So how much lowering of vapor pressure is noticed means what is the formula? RL is N1 by N1 plus N2. So here 3 grams of urea. So 3 grams of urea, that means 3 by, what is the molecular mass of urea? 3 by 60 is added to 36 grams of boiling water. 36 grams of boiling water, that means 36 grams of boiling water, water is 18. So substitute here 3 by 60 by 3 by 60 plus 36 by 18. So 1 by 20, 1 by 20, 2. So 1 by 20 by 1 by 20 plus 2. 1 by 20 by 22 by 20. So you will get 1 by 22. So 1 by 22 means you will get 0.024 atmosphere. 0.024 atmosphere, but here the option is given in terms of mm. So 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 mm of Hg. So 0.024 atmosphere is equal to how many Hgs? 0.024. So cross multiplication, 1 atmosphere 760, then 0.024 means 0.024 into 760. So you will get approximately 19 mm of Hg. So which option? First option, right? And next we will move to next question. A certain temperature, the vapor pressure of water is 90 mm. The vapor pressure of water is 90 mm. So P naught is 90 mm. And at the same temperature, the vapor pressure of solution PS is 81 mm. Then the relative lowering of vapor pressure. So relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to P naught minus Ps by P naught. So P naught minus Ps by P naught. So what is P naught value? 90 minus what is Ps value? 81 by P naught value 90. So 9 by 90. So 1 by 10. 1 by 10, that is 0.1. That is 0.1. So what is the option? Fourth option. So at a certain temperature, the vapor pressure of a water is 90 mm, and at same temperature, the vapor pressure of a solution containing non-volatile solution is 81 mm. That is P naught is 90 and Ps is 81. So what is the relative lowering of vapor pressure here? The P naught minus Ps by P naught. So calculation will get 0.1. So the option is fourth option. So thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.